In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with a Salesforce Trailhead account. We'll walk through the Trailhead Academy website together so you know exactly where to find learning paths, role and product-based content, certifications, events, and support. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the key areas you'll use as you begin your Salesforce journey. Start on the Trailhead Academy homepage. This is your hub for training and credentials across the Salesforce ecosystem. You'll see a clean top navigation and quick links that lead to the most popular resources. Think of this as your launch pad. Next, click Learn. This menu collects all the ways you can build skills. It's a good place to explore if you're not sure where to begin because it groups options by how people commonly approach their learning. Choose Learn by Product. If you already know which Salesforce cloud or feature you want to focus on, like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, or Platform, this view helps you zero in on content tailored to that product's capabilities and best practices. Then select Learn by Role. This is perfect if you're aligning your path to a job title or career track, such as administrator, developer, business analyst, consultant, or architect. You'll find curated journeys that build the exact skills hiring managers expect. Click Self-Paced Learning. Here you'll see the Trailhead content that made Salesforce Learning famous. Interactive modules, trails, and hands-on projects you can complete on your own schedule. These units award points and badges so you can track progress and showcase what you've learned. Choose Certifications. This section is all about official Salesforce credentials. It explains how certifications validate your skills and connect you with career opportunities across the ecosystem. Select Find a Certification. You'll see the full catalog of credentials with details like exam outlines, prerequisites, and recommended experience. Use this page to compare certifications and identify the best first target for your goals. Click Get to Know Certifications. This is the overview that answers the big questions: what certifications are, how they're structured, and how they support your career path. It's a helpful orientation before you dive into specific exams. Next, Open Maintain Certifications. Salesforce releases updates several times a year, and certification holders complete brief maintenance modules to stay current. This page explains timelines and what to expect so you never miss a requirement. Choose Verify Certifications. When you earn a credential, verification is how employers and peers confirm it's valid and current. This tool provides trusted proof of your achievements. Click Trailhead. This takes you into the broader learning portal where you can browse topics, follow trails, and practice in hands-on challenges. If you're new, you'll see how the learning experience is structured. If you're signed in, you'll see your points and badges. Select Events. Here you'll find live and virtual sessions, from webinars to workshops, that complement your self-paced study with real-time learning and community interaction. Open Bootcamps. Bootcamps are immersive, multi-day trainings led by Salesforce experts. They're designed to accelerate your readiness for specific roles and, in many cases, align closely to certification objectives. Click Salesforce Events. This page highlights major gatherings like regional tours and flagship conferences. Attending these is a powerful way to network, learn from experts, and see product updates in action. Choose My Dashboard. When you're signed in, this is your personalized view of progress, recommendations, and upcoming items. It's a convenient snapshot of where you've been and what to tackle next. Click Training. Here you'll find instructor-led courses with schedules and descriptions. It's ideal if you prefer guided learning and direct access to an expert. Select Certifications again to quickly return to the Credentials Hub if you want to review paths or exam guides alongside training options. Open Order History. This is where you can review past purchases like courses or vouchers and access receipts for your records. Click Help, Salesforce Help. You'll land in the official knowledge base packed with product documentation, how-to articles, and guided support resources. Finally, select My Cases. If you've opened support cases, this is where you track their status and responses, keeping all your help requests organized in one place. That's the full tour. With these areas mapped out, you're ready to explore learning content, plan certifications, join events, track your progress, and get help when needed. Follow along at your own pace and use these pages as your compass as you get started with Trailhead.